What's the meaning of boot camp? Boot camp. Boot camp.
Boot camp. Boot camp. Boot camp refers to a type of training or program designed to be physically and mentally intensive, typically used in the military or fitness context. The goal is to push individuals beyond their current limits and develop discipline, resilience, and teamwork skills. Participants are put through rigorous exercises and challenges, often under strict supervision, to achieve the desired outcomes. At the end of the boot camp, individuals can expect to have improved physical fitness, mental toughness, and a sense of accomplishment, making them better equipped to handle real-world challenges beyond the program.